In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find road closed on Waze. To get started, open Waze in your browser and head to the main page. Once you're on the site, give it a moment to fully load so the map and its icons appear clearly. This is important because the road closure details are shown directly on the map itself, not in a separate menu. After you're already inside the page, focus your attention on the map area. This is where Waze displays live traffic information, incidents, and closures reported by users and reflected in the system. If the map feels busy at first, that's completely normal. Waze often shows multiple icons and markings, so the key is knowing what visual sign you're looking for. Next, hover your cursor over the map and begin scanning the roads in the area you want to check. Move slowly and pay attention to any symbols that stand out. You're specifically looking for a barrier-style icon that uses red stripes. This icon is the visual indicator for a road closure, and it helps distinguish closed roads from other traffic-related alerts such as accidents or congestion. As you continue looking over the map, you'll notice that red stripe barrier icon marking a closure point. When you find it, that's your signal that Waze has identified a road that is currently closed or blocked off in that location. This makes it much easier to spot issues before starting a trip or while checking a route in advance. Once you've located the icon, click on it. Waze will then show you which road is closed. This step gives you the specific closure information connected to that marker, so you can confirm exactly which street or road segment is affected. If you're reviewing multiple nearby roads, this can save time and help you avoid confusion. After selecting the icon, you'll also see a red and white line displayed where the road is closed. This visual line highlights the affected section directly on the map, making it easy to understand the exact location of the closure. Instead of guessing where the blocked area begins or ends, you can quickly identify the portion of road you'll want to avoid. A helpful tip here is to zoom in a little if the map looks crowded or if roads are close together. That can make the closure marker and the red and white line easier to read, and that's how to find a road closed on Waze. Once you know what icon to look for and where to click, checking closures becomes fast and straightforward.